My name is Maia, and I lead the member education team at Equilibria. Today we're going to talk about how to use your rapid calming melts. The rapid calming melts are 5 milligrams each. The calming melts are great to use as an as-needed addition to your already existing CBD routine. Perfect for when you're on the go, or anytime you feel a little extra stressed or overwhelmed. The calming melts have an onset time of less than 10 minutes, super quick, and they last 3 to 6 hours. To use, swallow a sip of water to wet your mouth and place the tablet under your tongue to allow it to fully dissolve. It should take less than 5 minutes to fully dissolve, and it has a light, minty flavor. Try to avoid chewing, crushing, or swallowing it. We have a team of educators available to help you at any point during your journey. Please don't hesitate to reach out.